guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Zane, and today we are talking about something super important to making sales on Etsy: product research. You should not be creating new products without doing any product research first, because when you do that, you might be making products that there's no demand for. So guess what? No demand, no one's gonna buy it. Or you're making products that are super competitive, and so it's impossible to get on the first page of Etsy search results and get your product seen. So again, no sales. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my favorite product research methods. These methods have allowed me to get a product up in my shop and get a sale within a day or two. So you know that they work. If you're absolutely serious about making passive income on Etsy and you want a shortcut to success, be sure to check out my Passive Income with Printables ebook. The link for that is down below. We're going to hop over to my computer now, you guys, and let's make a deal. If you learned something new, you have to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. I'm using a MacBook and a wireless mouse for the first time, and this mouse is like going crazy, you guys, so bear with me. All right, so we're on Etsy right now. The first free method that I use to do product research is I will literally just come to the Etsy search bar and I will use the alphabet method to come up with new ideas for products. So literally you type in your like seed keyword. So I know I want to make something for a baby shower, and so you type baby shower and then you hit A and see what comes up. So advice cards, alphabet book, B, bingo, C. And you just keep going through. You can write down ideas for things you want to look further into. So I like the baby shower bingo idea, so I'm going to click that and see what comes up. Okay, and so now we did a search, and I'm going to look for two things. One, you want to see how many search results there are. I usually look for under 30,000 search results, and then you also want to see if there are any best sellers or the popular now products. And there definitely are. There's so many, and so this might be a viable option. So I'm also looking at, when I'm scrolling through, I'm looking at the organic listings, so like not the ones with ads. I'm looking at the organic listings to see how many reviews these shops have. So a lot of these shops are well-established shops. They have hundreds and thousands of reviews. And so it might be hard for a new shop to break on to the first page because there are just so many established shops here already. We want the products with the best sellers, under 30,000 search results, and I prefer there to be some shops that don't have that many reviews, so you know you can break onto here. So this gives us a little hope, you guys. There's only 14 search results. Also, guys, when you see a shop like that's a similar size to you, so a newer shop, check out their shop, see what other products they have. Okay, so we have a party game shop. But okay, and so what I like to do when I'm coming to a new shop, I sort it by most recent, because you know that those listings were recently purchased and relisted. So, okay, so wow, St. Patrick's Day treasure hunt, that's a really good idea. I think I'm a little bit too late. Like, I would make these products for my own shop, but I think I'm a little bit too late for the game, so maybe next year. Okay, so do you get what I'm saying? Look at the products that people have in their cart and write them down, because you might want to add those kind of products to your shop. So let's go back to the search results. Okay, so I also like the baby shower advice cards idea. So again, under 30,000 results, we're gonna look to see if there's popular now or bestsellers. There's a mix of like printed advice cards and instant downloads. I see this shop has only 3 reviews and they're on the first page and have this as a bestseller, I believe. So let's check that out. Okay, so it's not a bestseller, it's just really popular right now. So we're going to look at what this product is doing differently than the other products. So this card seems to have a hair color, eye color option, and the personality. And I haven't seen that on the other advice cards. So you see, they made a product that stood out, and so that's why they're doing well. Let's look at their other products. Yeah, so this shop only has 6 products right now. And so that just goes to show you that you can make sales in the beginning of your Etsy journey. You don't have to have like 100, 200 listings to start making some sales. These actually look very similar to the PLR games that I have in my own shop. So if you guys want to get some baby shower games up in your shop quickly, you can come over to my PLR shop, buy the templates for them, and have these up within literally like hours. If you just make some changes, maybe even change the color or add a theme to them, yeah, you can get them up really quickly. But yeah, quick plug back to the good stuff. When you're on Etsy, always look at your homepage, just look for product ideas. Like this is interesting, a parenting tip jar. Because a lot of the times your homepage will show you products that you might have never thought of. And look at this, a bestseller. When you see a bestseller, you want to look to see what they are doing right. And so again, these are advice cards, but they put a little spin on it. So it's a parenting tip jar, cute little idea. There's the eucalyptus leaves. That's a really popular baby shower theme. And so yeah, write that down. When you're doing your product research, guys, don't copy people's design like exactly. Just use it for inspiration. So like you can make another design using eucalyptus leaves with the words parenting tip jar, but don't use like the exact same fonts, don't use that exact same graphic. Like make it your own. I have found a lot of products just by looking at what's on my homepage. I actually found this product by it coming up on my homepage. A baby food tracker, that's something I never would have thought of myself, but this is like the perfect example of what I'm talking about. So there's only 755 search results, way under 30,000. And look how many popular nows there are and bestsellers for this product. And there are a bunch of shops on here that have very little reviews. So these are new shops all ranking on the first page. We have a shop with 1 review, 8 reviews, 76 reviews. So these are all good shops to go into and see what else they're selling to get even more product ideas. So yeah, I hope you guys understand. Look for products that have under 30,000 search results. They have bestseller or popular now, and they have shops on the first page with not so many reviews. So you don't want shops with thousands or even hundreds of reviews. It's perfect when they have like under 100 reviews. That's money, guys. That's money. Now I'm going to come over to eRank and show you how you can do some product research. Okay, so eRank, I think I pay $5.99 a month to use this. There's also a free version, but you get a lot less information and data. So it's only $6 a month to help you like find good products. So I think it's definitely worth it. On eRank, I come over to Keyword Explorer and you put in the product that you might want to make. So let's say you're a journal and planner shop. I put in printable journal. So now you're going to come down here and they're going to tell you the average search results, the average clicks, the click-through rate, and the competition for each of these keywords. And so the goal is to find a keyword with a lot of search results, a lot of demand, but low competition. And so right off the bat, we see a lot of green. We want the greens basically all the way through. So gratitude journals right now, they have high demand, but low competition. And prayer journals look pretty good. We want to stay away from the reds. We also have dream journals, food journals. So I would write all of these down. You can actually save them to a list. So like if you click the star right here, oops, I don't know what's wrong with this mouse, but it's not letting me click. Okay, there you go. You see how you can click and star these and you can save all these keywords onto a list. Food journals, mindfulness journals. This is how you can quickly do some product research. A weekly gratitude printable. That is how I do keyword research on eRank. And then I also use the keyword tool. The keyword tool, I use the same example, baby shower games. I typed it in here. It shows you the most popular tags used for baby shower games. And then it will also give you keyword ideas. I sorted these by competition. Okay, so baby shower bingo. It's very popular, but there is not that much competition for it. You can make baby shower games, but make them themed. So if you know that dinosaur baby showers are popular, you can make dinosaur baby shower games, travel baby shower theme games. This will help you create more niche products. So let's say you're designing for a baby shower. You want to find out what are the most popular themes for the baby shower and then make products around those themes. Yeah, for $5.99 a month, I think it's definitely worth it. Even if you like use it for 1 month and then find a bunch of good product ideas and find good keywords, you can cancel it and then just like, create products for the next couple of months with what you found. Also, guys, keep in mind that product research might take you some time. Like, don't try to rush through it. Just be patient and take the time to find good products because that will make sales come to you so much easier. Making products that you just think will sell or just because you want to create them, that's not the way to go here, guys. So Use Etsy, use eRank, or you could use other research tools like Marmalade or Allura to find low competition, in demand products. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you got value from this video. You learned how to do some product research to find winning products. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. My Passive Income with Printables ebook is below for people who are ready to take Etsy seriously. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.